Patenting innovations in 3D printing sustainable practices. Sustainability in 3D printing focuses on reducing material waste, lowering energy consumption, and enabling localized, on-demand production to minimize carbon footprints. Sustainable innovation in 3D printing includes biodegradable and recycled materials, energy-efficient methods, circular economy models, and waste-to-print technologies. Patenting sustainable practices faces challenges in defining novelty, balancing open-source principles with IP protection, and managing overlapping patents in additive manufacturing. Effective patenting strategies include highlighting unique applications, collaborating with material scientists, using provisional patents, and targeting regions with high 3D printing adoption. Collaborating with legal experts ensures strong patent claims, avoids IP conflicts, and optimizes licensing agreements for sustainable 3D printing innovations. Contact us today to streamline your patent process and safeguard your innovations.